everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I have a haul for you guys today. Some crafty, some not that crafty, but I'm going to share it with you guys anyway. So this is all from, let's see, well, mostly everything is from Amazon. Maybe one item is from Michael's. Alright, so first of all, I got this, it's called a scarf curtain. But I'm gonna put it in my craft room. It is pink, but it's more like a dusty pink. And I don't have any curtains in my craft room. And I thought I would, you know, just kind of spice it up a little bit. And I'm not sure if I was looking for a velvet curtain, but I saw this one and I thought this one was reasonably priced, and I don't know, there was just something about the color and it feels really soft. So let me know, what do you guys think of this color? I think it's more like a dusty pink. And it's basically, I just basically want to put up a curtain rod and then just swag, you know, make a swag. So we'll see how that works out. This might be a little too long, but I figured, you know, I can cut it and then have some extra material. Orders came for the clear self-seal bags, and this one I liked getting this size because sometimes you have projects that are, you know, a bit big and you still want to wrap it, and sometimes I don't have tissue paper, so this is a 9 by 12, so I thought I'd give it a try. I just figured it would be nice and sturdy. And this is not the same one that I was using, because the one that I was using before, I got it from a hobby store, but it's the same size. So, and then I got also a 5 by 7, and this was from a different vendor. So I always like to have a 5 by 7, and it's 100 pieces, so it's a pretty good price. So I think I'm good with my bags now because, you know, I was running low. I did mention that I had bought the balls for my gumball machine. I got these from Amazon and it comes in 20 pieces, and that's like 20 pieces, like 20 pairs. So you're actually getting like 40 of these dome piece. So and it is 80 millimeter, so that's the size, and in inches that's about 3.15 inch, and that's perfect for making the gumball machines that I had shared with you guys. So I figured I might as well get a bunch. I only paid $10, so technically they're like 50 cents per pair, like ball. It completes a ball, so about 50 cents per ball, and that's better than Michael's, because I think Michael sells these for like $1.99, at least the ones that I bought. And then you guys, I decided to get a mini Cricut Easy Press, the mini, because I did want to do some iron-on projects. Plus my son can also use this when he does his perler beads. I think hopefully he doesn't ruin it or anything, but it's just easier instead of the big iron. So anyway, I'm excited to use this. I saw my friend Siv create bows when she used like a Hello Kitty iron-on, and so she kind of inspired me to get one. So we'll see how that works out. I should try it to see if it works okay, because I've kind of had it for about a week or so. So yeah, I'm really excited. You know, I want to do more projects, not just paper crafting. So anyway, finally got this because I've been kind of wanting it and I just kept putting it off. And then the one thing that I got from Michael's, I finally got my We Are Memory Keepers Power Punch. I did open it already because I wanted to check it out and see if it worked okay, and it does. and I was inspired by my BFF Erica. Hey girl, I finally got mine. I originally had ordered this from Michael's before Christmas, and then they canceled my order because it wasn't available, and then I guess they restocked. So when I saw it, I thought, oh my gosh, I'm gonna go ahead and get it. And so it was cheaper to get it through Michael's because I was able to use the coupon, I think. Did I use the coupon? Anyway, it worked out. It was less to get it there than if I was to get it from scrapbook.com because I got a couple more Rae Dunn. I saw this one and it was a good price because a lot of the mugs that I was seeing were, all of them were like 26 and up. And this one was about $20, and it is more expensive. I'm sure I could have bought this, you know, cheaper at TJ Maxx, but you guys know I'm only online shopping, so it is, you know, an original Rae Dunn. I wish the red was, it's a little more like brick red than candy apple red. I was kind of hoping that it was more of a candy apple red, like it looked like it on the ad, but that's okay. I mean, it's still nice. My son even likes it. It's a good size, and what I love about it is it has the top, so you can use it with the top, or you can use it as a coaster. So dual purpose little extra thing here. And so I'll probably use it more as a coaster, I'm thinking. But, and I know it's not Christmas anymore, but I just thought it was a good deal, so I went ahead and just got it. And then the last thing I got, and this is also Christmas, but well, I figured it doesn't have to be Christmas, right? I mean, you know, I think it's really cute, and I had not seen anything like it. It's a sifter, you guys, and I'm working on my tray, my tiered tray, and I'm not even sure, I don't think this is gonna fit in my tiered tray because it is quite big. I mean, it's almost as big as this mug, but the handle is even, it you know, it's a little like wider. But I figured, you know what, it's functional. So I was gonna get another mug, but then I decided, you know what, I don't need any more mugs. I'll just get this one because I hadn't seen anything like this. And so, and this was, I think, like $19, something like that. It was less than 20, and I thought it was a good deal. When I make desserts, sometimes I sprinkle like powdered sugar on it. So that's what I was thinking of. I was going to use it for, or cocoa or something like that, you know, for when I bake. So, and it's nice. And I do have like a sifter like this. That's, I think, about the same size, but it's not as nice. Like this one is nice. I like it. It's white. The other one is just like really dull, you know, just a regular sifter. So that's it. That is my haul. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned, you guys. I have a project share for you guys that I'm so excited. I just completed it this morning, so I can't wait to share. Yo, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.